What is up, guys? Cole with TNC Outdoorsman here, joined by none other than Zach. Today we are doing a little bit of our favorite pastime, stream fishing. Seeing if we can get on some bass. Maybe some creek musky, pike. Whoa, hello. As we can see, the fish are a little riled up. That looked like a carp. Yeah, it looked like a carp. There we go.
Are you on?
Yep.
What you got?
Crappie looks like. Nope, bass. It's a bass.
There you go.
Nice. Smallmouth. All right, settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Come on. There we go. Nice little creek smallmouth. Pop a picture real quick and send him on his way. He's healthy. Got some girth to him. Yep. There he goes.